earlier today, Bitcoin broke past 71,000 US dollars. What's next for Bitcoin? Are we really going to see this $100,000 Bitcoin? Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host, Umar Khan. Today, we're taking a deep dive of what the heck is going on with Bitcoin. With Bitcoin pumping like crazy, apparently, we're going to see ETH ETFs coming very soon. This could be absolutely bullish for the overall crypto market. But before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, as it helps the channel tremendously. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you check out our Discord, which is now live, link in the description below. And like always, none of this is financial advice, always your own research and due diligence. Overall crypto market looking absolutely phenomenal, as market cap is up 5.18% and volume is up 147%. The trading is going absolutely insane. In terms of the fear and greed index, we're currently sitting at 70, which is greed. And guys, I was telling you guys in my past couple of videos here that we are slowly going to creep into the end of greed and maybe even enter extreme greed as the bulls are coming back into the game of things. We see Bitcoin up 14% on the week, a whopping 2% on the day, and approximately 0.18% on the hour, currently sitting at $69,000, while Bitcoin is hitting all-time highs across the world. Currently in trending tab, Bitcoin is at number 5, which obviously makes sense. It is, you know, it'd be trending. It's saying $62,000 here. I don't know why. Refresh it too, that's just kind of weird, kind of scary, but no, it's not at $62,000. It's at $69,000 Bitcoin is what we're sitting with right now. We see earlier today we're peaking at 71,000 here, and the highest high we saw 71,700, so almost at the $72,000 mark. You can see Bitcoin basically breaking into newer and newer all-time highs, which is absolutely insane, as people are going absolutely berserk. BTC altcoins go up 20% today. If Bitcoin dominance breaks down here, the realistic alt season will get started. The real alt season will get started, and that's what exactly we're anticipating, for Bitcoin to continue pumping, so altcoins and meme coins can start pumping. When we look at technical reports, we can see oscillators aren't selling. However, the moving averages are in strong buy, giving us an overall summary of buy, as people are loading up on Bitcoin, and that's exactly what we anticipate to see, right? The $70,000 Bitcoin is one massive milestone and brings us closer and closer to the goal of seeing a six-figure Bitcoin, which again doesn't sound as far-fetched when we were looking at it last week. And I remember last week I was saying, you know, Bitcoin's going to go back to 70K, and a lot of people are like, no, it's going to go to zero. And obviously, if anyone says Bitcoin's going to zero by now, hey, I don't know what to say, my friend. I'd say maybe stay away from cryptocurrencies. But I want to show you guys some tweets, as there's some crazy things happening in the crypto market. We see, first of all, 22 hours ago, Bitcoin had a $3,000 candle, which is, again, not too shabby. It got the Twitter warriors, you know, obviously going crazy. We see Bitcoin is back to all-time highs across the world. And we see across everywhere, yeah, with their different currencies and different prices. Bitcoin is absolutely moonshotting, which is absolutely awesome. We see another tweet just in BTC his all-time highs in Japan. And guys, here's the thing, the reason why this is so important, this is very bullish news, is it's an interesting investor psychology that people seem to have. When Bitcoin, or any investment, for that example, real estate, for example, when real estate's crashing, people think, oh, I should probably sell my home too before the whole market crashes and I lose all my money, right? Which is kind of odd, right? But when things start pumping, people are like, oh, Bitcoin's at all-time highs, I should probably buy Bitcoin before it continues to go up. So again, I'm not saying that's necessarily a bad idea. I mean, it could be a bad investment depending on when you get in, but the point I'm trying to make is when these coins hit all-time highs, it brings in a whole new wave of retail investors who want to buy at the top. Now, whether that's good investing or not, again, I'm not a financial advisor. I personally wouldn't buy at the top, but needless to say, it causes the price to pump even more. However, guys, when we do get all-time highs, remember, a correction is usually around the corner. I'm not trying to fearmonger here at all, but just, you know, do your research, do your due diligence before aping into anything. There's also a lot of BTC news, as you can imagine. Bitcoin hitting all-time highs, of course, is going to be covered all over the media, but first movers Americas, Bitcoin hit 71,000 as ETH hopes to build an ETF, which is big. Bitcoin price today jumped up to 71,000 on spot Ether ETF speculations. Bitcoin spiked 71,000 as Ethereum soars on ETF approval rumors. And guys, apparently there's an 80% chance we are going to get the ETF, and obviously it's going to be overall great for the entire crypto market, so we're very bullish on that as well. Everyone, you know, we're waiting, we're anticipating to see what comes from it. As we're just patiently waiting, okay? Top CEOs bets on a shock Biden crypto flips as congregates hurdle towards a crucial vote. Again, Bitcoin's going to be all over the news, and the next couple of days, I'd anticipate Bitcoin's going to continue to pump and pump and pump, right? That's why. Are we going to see Bitcoin at $8,000 by the end of this week? It's quite possible. However, are we also going to see a negative, a minus, minus 20% right down Bitcoin in the upcoming weeks as well? Most definitely. This is a ride of cryptocurrency. Remember, that's why it's so important to do your research and due diligence before buying or even selling, to understand how the market's going to move. Obviously, no one has a glass ball that can predict these things, but again, having some research, some due diligence will definitely help you out there. But like always, it's not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. And if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, as it helps out the channel tremendously. That pretty much wraps up the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.